Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be making the custom splitter for the C6. I'm gonna go to O'Reilly's real quick to get some supplies. Then yeah, let's get started. We're at Lowe's. I don't really know which wood to get. So, any ideas?
Huh?
Any ideas?
Probably something thin, since it's just a mock-up.
Yeah.
Like this. This actually looks almost too clean. You got a marker at home?
Yeah, no.
A few moments later.
So I've been pretty good at taking this bumper off because I'm having to do it so much. So I think it's going to be real easy. Oh, let's take this inside. Let's fix the core support. But can you see how mine got bent really bad? This one is actually cracked over here, and this is super misaligned. My radiator is sitting where it's not supposed to. I hope I can fix this pretty quick. And this should just drop right off. Let's check the other side. All right, let's compare my new one and the old one. God, holy crap. Do you see the scrapes? Oh my God, and it's super printed. But we got this new one, so let's get it on. All right, we got the radiator support in there. I'm just tightening it up. All right. Sorry guys, if my video is shaky. I'm literally tightening the bolt with my right hand and filming with my left hand. Okay, now we're back in the house. We're gonna trace out the custom splitter. I want this splitter to stick out about like 2 to 3 inches. So I'm going to draw like a basic line right here. I'm gonna freehand it. So we'll see. So now I have the basic line penciled out. Now I'm gonna go to the back and see what that back looks like. Oh, the back side is a little bit more difficult because my bumper is damaged and I cut out some chunks over here and over there. But I'm gonna make this work. What I'm gonna do is to get this is my roller, mind your business, I didn't have a big one. So I am going to line that corner and here, that's my pivot point, and I am going to just show that out. I'm gonna do the same thing with these sides, so right here and right there. Alright, let's talk about how I'm going to mount this bumper. So I got these 4 brackets, like L brackets. I am going to put one right here because the wind is pretty hard and I don't want to flap it around. So I'm going to screw these in and I'm gonna find a way to kind of bend this along the side of this bumper so it will fit, and I'm going to glue it down. Same with the other side, but those 2 brackets cannot hold this whole lip. So I am going to drill. I'm going to drill 4 holes right here and the other side as well to kind of keep that lip in place. So I hope that works. So basically I don't want my lip to be too big, so I'm probably going with like 3 to 4 centimeters to 3 centimeters up front, and as I go towards the end it's going to be tapered down, so it's going to be narrow. Let's measure out, and I'm gonna start from the middle and go towards the back. So this side is a little bit messier than the other, but I am going to line it up with my Sharpie right here. So it's going to clean up really well. So yeah, I'm not too worried about it. But anyway, I am going to be sanding the edges after I cut this out. So yeah, I'm not too worried about like the harsh lines.
Two hours later.
Okay guys, it's been a long time, but I finally have the lip mounted on the bumper, so I'm gonna show you real quick. Okay, so it's a little bit rough, but as you can see, I bolted the lip and the bumper together. It's on there pretty loose. I am going to put the bumper back on the Corvette and tighten these up. Alright guys, it's been a while, and as you can see, the outside is dark, so I spent a lot of time trying to mount this, but look at this. I am so impressed. This is my first custom piece and I'm super satisfied. It looks amazing. So yeah, it looks sick. Well, it has a little bit of a dip right here because I sanded it down too much, but you can't really tell. Alright guys, that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you're gonna make custom lip using my method, let me know in the comments or tag me in the post so I can see it. I actually really happy with this quality. It actually hides my misalignment a little bit, so yeah, I'm super excited. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Oh, don't forget to follow my Instagram.